All right, everybody, here's my working crew. What should we call ourselves?
The tool bag.
The tool bag girl. Okay, so here we are. We're getting ready for work. We got the crew, and they're ready to build something. Okay, so here we go. So we're gonna go to him. David, what is it that you do? What is your job today? Are you the screw gun guy? What are you gonna do? Screw a bunch of wood, right? I mean, with screws, right? What are you gonna do, Michael?
I'm gonna be the one who I have the jackhammer.
Okay, you're the jackhammer. And what are you gonna do, Jace?
Saw. I'm a wood.
You're gonna saw the wood, and what are you gonna do?
I'm going to give people some food.
That's right. What are you gonna do?
Saw.
All right. And what are you gonna do, Gabe?
I'm the foreman.
Here's the foreman. Okay, guys. So we had the little worker crew. Say hello to my subscribers, and then repeat after me. Thank you
Thank you
for being
for being
my subscribers,
my subscribers.
and we look forward
And we look forward
to doing a bunch of funny videos.
to a fun video.
And we thank you
And we thank you
for subscribing.
for subscribing.
Please tell others
Please tell others
about our channel,
about our channel.
and we thank you very much.
And we thank you very much.
And we're gone.